Welcome to our comprehensive guide on plyometric exercises for enhancing endurance. In this video, we'll explore how these dynamic exercises can boost your stamina and elevate your overall fitness levels. Known for their explosive movements, plyometric exercises are powerful tools for developing endurance. Whether you're an athlete or a fitness enthusiast, incorporating these exercises can make a significant difference. As we journey through this guide, you'll discover the importance of endurance and how plyometric training can transform your workout routine. Get ready to embrace a new level of fitness and unlock your true potential. In this segment, we'll define endurance and discuss its vital role in fitness. Endurance is the ability to sustain physical activity over a prolonged period. It's one of the 5 key components of overall fitness, crucial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Think of endurance as your body's stamina reserve, allowing you to perform activities like running, cycling, and swimming for extended periods. Without strong endurance, even simple tasks can become challenging. Building endurance not only enhances physical capabilities, but also fortifies mental resilience, pushing your limits and achieving new fitness milestones. Low endurance is a common challenge faced by many athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and a higher risk of injury. This struggle often prevents individuals from reaching their full potential in various physical activities. By recognizing the impact of low endurance, we can start taking steps to overcome it. As we move forward, you'll discover how plyometric exercises can provide a powerful solution, enhancing your endurance and transforming your athletic performance. Now let's dive into the solution: plyometric exercises. Often called jump training, these exercises focus on explosive movements to boost your endurance and overall fitness. They're powerful, dynamic movements like jumps and bounds designed to improve muscle power. Incorporating them into your routine can increase stamina and performance in other activities. Plyometric exercises not only enhance endurance, but also support cardiovascular health, agility, and strength. As we move forward, you'll see how each plyometric exercise can be tailored to fit your fitness goals. Before diving into the dynamic world of plyometric exercises, it's essential to warm up properly. A good warm-up routine preps your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system, minimizing the risk of injury. Think of it as tuning an instrument before a performance. Your body needs to be in harmony. Let's start with some simple yet effective warm-up techniques. Begin with light aerobic movements, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Next, incorporate dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles to enhance flexibility and joint mobility. These movements increase blood flow to the muscles and improve the range of motion, setting the stage for more intense activity. Target specific muscle groups that you'll be engaging during your plyometric session. For example, if you're focusing on lower body exercises, include warm-up moves like high knees or walking lunges. This ensures your legs are fully activated and ready to perform. Upper body warm-ups, such as shoulder rolls and resistance band exercises, can prepare your arms and shoulders for movements like plyometric push-ups. Each warm-up should last between 5 to 10 minutes, allowing enough time to progressively increase intensity. This gradual buildup primes your body and mind for the challenging exercises ahead. With your body now primed and ready, you're prepared to take on plyometric exercises with confidence. Next, we'll dive into jump squats. Welcome to our first exercise, jump squats. This powerful plyometric move targets your legs and glutes, providing an excellent way to build both strength and endurance. To perform a jump squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position, ensuring your knees don't extend beyond your toes. From this position, explode upwards, jumping as high as you can. Aim to land softly on the balls of your feet and immediately lower into another squat. Repeating this motion will keep your muscles engaged and burning. One of the main benefits of jump squats is their ability to enhance your explosive power. This explosive strength is essential for activities that require quick, powerful movements, such as sprinting or jumping. Additionally, this exercise is a great cardiovascular workout, helping to increase your heart rate and improve your overall endurance. Maintaining proper form throughout the exercise is key. Always keep your core engaged to protect your lower back and maximize the effectiveness of each jump. As you continue to practice jump squats, you'll notice improvements in both your lower body strength and your capacity for enduring high-intensity activities. Next, we'll dive into the mechanics and benefits of box jumps. Welcome to Exercise 2, Box Jumps. Box jumps are an incredible plyometric exercise designed to develop both explosive power and endurance. When performed correctly, they engage multiple muscle groups, enhance your speed, and elevate your overall fitness levels. First, let's talk about how to execute box jumps properly. Start by finding a sturdy box that can support your weight. The height of the box should be challenging but manageable based on your fitness level. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees slightly and swing your arms back to generate momentum. Explode upwards, driving through your legs, and land softly on the box with both feet. It's crucial to absorb the impact by bending your knees as you land, which helps to reduce the risk of injury. Also, focus on maintaining a strong core throughout the jump to keep your body stable. The benefits of box jumps go beyond just building explosive power. They are excellent for increasing your cardiovascular endurance, improving your balance, and enhancing your agility. This exercise not only strengthens your legs, but also boosts your overall athletic performance. Next, we'll introduce another powerful plyometric movement aimed at further developing your fitness and endurance goals. In our next exercise, we'll focus on burpees, a dynamic move known for its full body benefits. Burpees not only enhance your endurance, but also build strength and improve cardiovascular fitness. Here's how you do them effectively. Start by standing tall, then drop into a squat position with your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position, keeping your body straight and core engaged. Perform a push-up, then quickly return your feet to the squat position. Finally, jump explosively into the air, reaching your arms overhead. While performing burpees, it's crucial to maintain a steady pace and ensure each movement is precise. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and upper body, making it a powerful addition to any endurance training routine. The benefits of burpees are extensive. They boost cardiovascular health, enhance full body strength, and increase metabolic rate. Moreover, they require no equipment, making them perfect for home workouts or on-the-go fitness sessions. Next, we'll delve into lateral bounds, another plyometric exercise designed to elevate your agility and stamina. Let's move on to one of the most effective exercises for enhancing your agility and endurance, lateral bounds. This exercise not only challenges your balance, but also significantly improves your lateral movement skills. To start, imagine there's an invisible line down the middle of your workout space. Begin by standing on one side of that line with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees slightly, keep your core engaged, and prepare to spring into action. Push off your right foot, propelling yourself laterally to the left. Land softly on your left foot, keeping your knees bent and cushioning the impact. Immediately push off your left foot and bound to the right. Maintain a steady rhythm, focusing on controlled movements and ensuring you stay balanced throughout. Lateral bounds are not just great for agility, they're also fantastic for building lower body strength and cardiovascular endurance. Every time you push off and land, your muscles work hard to stabilize and power through the movement. This effort translates into more robust and resilient muscles over time. As you perform lateral bounds, keep your movements sharp and controlled. This controlled explosiveness aids in boosting your overall agility and stamina. Next, you'll see how incorporating these exercises can transform your fitness routine and lead to incredible improvements in your endurance and agility. Let's dive into Exercise 5, Tuck Jumps. Tuck jumps are one of the most explosive plyometric exercises you can perform. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. As you jump, focus on bringing your knees up toward your chest, using your core for stability. Be sure to land softly on the balls of your feet and immediately go into the next jump. Proper form is crucial to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Tuck jumps are exceptional for building explosive power and enhancing your endurance. This movement requires a significant amount of energy, making it an excellent workout for both your muscles and cardiovascular system. Remember, the key is to drive your knees up as high as possible with each jump. Consistency with this exercise helps in developing muscle strength and coordination, which are essential for overall athletic performance. Next, you'll discover another powerful exercise to add to your endurance training arsenal. Welcome to Exercise 6, Plyometric Push-Ups. Plyometric push-ups are a powerful move that can significantly boost your upper body strength and endurance. To get started, lower yourself into a push-up position. As you push back up, apply a burst of power to lift your hands off the ground. Control your descent, maintaining a strong core throughout the motion. This exercise not only builds explosive strength, but also enhances overall muscular endurance. It's a fantastic addition to any fitness regimen aimed at upper body improvement. Remember, form is paramount. Keep your movements controlled and focus on engaging your core to maximize benefits and minimize injury risks. Plyometric push-ups challenge your muscles in dynamic ways, making you stronger and more resilient. As always, start at your own pace and gradually increase intensity as you become more comfortable. Plyometric exercises like these are perfect for pushing your limits and achieving new fitness heights. Next, we'll dive into skater jumps, focusing on lateral movement and balance. Let's dive into Exercise 7, Skater Jumps. This movement is fantastic for improving your lateral agility and endurance. To begin, stand on one leg with the other leg slightly off the ground. With a slight hop, jump to the side, landing softly on the opposite foot, and immediately repeating the motion back and forth. It's essential to maintain your balance and control your landings to maximize the effectiveness of this exercise. Skater jumps are all about enhancing your lateral movement, which is often neglected in many traditional workout routines. By incorporating skater jumps into your regimen, you'll target different muscle groups and improve your overall balance and stability. But the benefits don't stop there. This exercise can boost your cardiovascular endurance, making it a perfect addition to any high-intensity workout. Remember to keep your core engaged and land softly to avoid injury. As you get more comfortable with this move, try increasing the speed and distance of your jumps to push your limits and continuously challenge your body. This will not only improve your endurance, but also enhance your coordination and agility. Next, you'll see how adding this exercise complements your routine. Now, let's dive into depth jumps, one of the most advanced plyometric exercises for building explosive power and endurance. Depth jumps start from an elevated position, where you step or drop off a box or platform. The key is to land softly and with control, bending your knees slightly to absorb the impact. From this position, you immediately explode upwards into another jump. Proper form is crucial here. Maintain a straight back and engage your core throughout the exercise. This ensures not only effectiveness, but also safety. One of the primary benefits of depth jumps is the development of muscular power. The rapid transition from braking to accelerating is what makes this exercise so effective for enhancing explosive strength. Additionally, depth jumps are excellent for improving neuromuscular coordination, which can enhance your overall athletic performance. Remember, control is everything. Land softly, reset, and then prepare for the next jump. Incorporate depth jumps into your routine 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. Next, we'll explore another dynamic exercise to add to your endurance-building arsenal. After completing your intense plyometric workout, it's essential to cool down properly to aid recovery and prevent injury. Cooling down helps to gradually lower your heart rate and stretch out the muscles you've worked so hard. Let's take a moment to focus on a cool-down routine that targets all the major muscle groups. Start by taking deep breaths and gently stretching your arms and legs. This routine will not only help in reducing soreness, but also improve your flexibility over time. Remember, a proper cool-down is just as important as the workout itself. By incorporating these plyometric exercises into your routine, you can significantly improve your endurance and overall fitness. Remember the key exercises we've covered: jump squats, box jumps, burpees, lateral bounds, tuck jumps, plyometric push-ups, and skater jumps, each one targeting specific muscle groups to enhance your performance. Stay consistent and keep challenging yourself. Remember to warm up and cool down correctly to maximize benefits and prevent injuries. Thank you for joining us in this journey towards better endurance. Keep pushing yourself. The results will be worth it.